Hey, do you want to know how to unlock your Mavic Air in low-level controlled airspace? Then this post is for you. Let's go. Okay, so before powering up our drone, we're just going to go to the air control app so we can let FAA know that there are going to be certain drone activities in certain areas. So when you first open the app, you're going to see color circles and ones with white without anything. So when you're in any white areas, this generally means that you're in a unrestricted airspace, so you should be able to fly without notifying the FAA up to 400 feet. But if you're in those kind of colored areas, you're going to have to submit application to the FAA first in order to get approval to fly up to a certain height. So if you scroll in, you're going to see that there are numbers. If it says 400, it means that after you submit your application, you can fly up to 400. If it's 200, same thing, 200 feet. If it's 0, it generally means no, or you have to submit your application for special approval. All right, so let's just use the 200 as example, and we're just going to hit lanes right here. You're going to have to select the cursor here, and you're going to select lands, and you're just going to press lands. And we're going to select recreational unless you have a part 107. You can see that you can maximally adjust your cursor bar to up to 200. You can put 300, but it's not going to be authorized anyway, so just put 200. And next is the time, how long you're going to fly in this area. So we're just going to say now to 2 hours. And you can also come in here and select whatever time you want and the duration. All right, so we're just going to select now and hit the duration as 2 hours. You're going to hit next. You see this is eligible for auto approval, and we're just going to continue to hit next, and we're just going to agree and submit. And you should immediately get a text message and an email from FAA saying that it was approved and you're allowed to use this certain airspace within this certain time. Okay, so now let's go to our drone and we're going to power it up and we're going to fly. After we properly notify FAA that we're going to have a drone activity in the controlled airspace, we can now begin to unlock the DJI geofencing. And also I have removed the props from a drone just so we can fit everything in one frame. Okay, so let's begin by power upping the controller. You got to double press, and we are going to plug it in to our iPad here, and you're also going to power up your drone. Once everything has been powered on, let's just go to hit Go Fly. You can now see that the image is coming into our iPad from the flying camera. And to unlock the authorization zone, we will just have to put our sticks inner like this, hold it. You should see that the unlocking message is popping up. You're just going to have to click unlock. And we're going to have to enter our phone number. And you're going to agree. And we're going to have to also put in our registration code, which is 99655 Okay, most important question, you're just going to say yes to everything. Otherwise, it's not going to get approved, and you're just going to hit OK. And once done, unlock. So we should be able to take off. Let's disarm the quad by pressing it to sticks inner. You can see that we have successfully unlocked. And let me just bring it down. Otherwise, it's going to beep all day. Okay, so this is generally how we can unlock our drone. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to just message me. If you like my content, please help me subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.